how to bootstrap your yeah, get a better day job so you can fund your business. And I came up with that name because as I was in the conference and meeting people and things, we were all at different levels. And there were some people who were, still had a day job and were trying to get venture capitalists to invest in their businesses. And one thing Arlen had said is, sometimes it's good to pay for it yourself if you can, you know?
Right,
Mhm.
exactly.
Instead of like asking for handouts and trying to convince people, that's a lot of emotional labor. It's a lot of emotional labor, a lot of work to try to convince other people to give you money. And then not only that, there's strings attached to that money. They don't just give it to you and you can do what you want. Like there's strings attached to it. And
Mhm.
I've, bootstrapped businesses, and I've done it where I've gotten money for businesses as well. So I've seen it both ways, and I completely prefer to do it myself because I don't like people telling me what to do and when.
The
and
same.
and all up like in my stuff, like, what are you doing? And because, well, they gave you money, so you understand it. But I just, if I don't have to do that, I don't want to do
Mhm.
that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, so that's kind of my perspective.